Good day everyone, I am Mariel Hamon from BSc 2B Mathematics. For today's video, we are given a task to explain how did they came up with these kind of answers. But before we start, let me have a quick discussion about the number theory. Number theory is the study of natural numbers and integers. It is a branch of pure mathematics. It is the study of the set of positive whole numbers, sometimes referred to as the natural numbers. It also assists us in discovering and proving fascinating links between different types of numbers. And now let's proceed in the first question. Number 1. Blank numbers are divisible by 2. My answer here is even. An even number is a number that is a multiple of 2. It can be said that any number that is completely divisible by 2 is an even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Second question. Blank numbers are counting numbers. The answer is natural. Natural numbers refer to a set of all the whole numbers excluding 0. These numbers are significantly used in our day-to-day activities and speech. These are the numbers that are used for counting and also a part of real numbers. The set of natural numbers include only the positive integers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to the infinity. Next question. Blank numbers have only two factors, 1 and itself. The answer is prime. Prime numbers is a whole number greater than 1, whose only factors are 1 and itself. A factor is a whole number that can be divided evenly into another number. The first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. Number 4. A blank number is the product of a number multiplied by itself. The answer is square. In mathematics, a square number or a perfect square is an integer that is the square of an integer. In other words, it is the product of some integer with itself. For example, 9 is a square number, since it's equal to 3 squared and can be written as 3 times 3. 5. A blank is a number which can divide another number without leaving a remainder. The answer is a factor. A factor is a number that divides another number, leaving no remainder. In other words, if multiplying two whole numbers give us a product, then the numbers we are multiplying are factors of the product because they are divisible by the product. Question number 6. Blank numbers consist of the number 0 and all the counting numbers. The answer is whole. Whole numbers are a set of numbers including all natural numbers and 0. They are a part of real numbers that do not include fractions, decimals, or negative numbers. Counting numbers are also considered as whole numbers. Number 7. Blank consists of the negative and positive whole numbers. The answer is integers. The term integer was adopted in mathematics from Latin. Integer means intact or whole. Integers are very much like whole numbers, but they also include negative numbers among them. An integer is a number with no decimal or fractional part, from the set of negative and positive numbers including 0. Question number 8. Blank numbers are not divisible by 2. The answer is odd. Odd numbers definition is given as those numbers which cannot be divided into two parts equally. Odd numbers are positive integers that cannot be categorized into two groups. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Question number 9. A blank number has 3 or more factors. The answer is composite. Composite numbers can be defined as natural numbers that have more than 2 factors. In other words, A number that is divisible by a number other than 1 and the number itself is called a composite number. Lastly, question number 10. A blank number is the product of a number multiplied by itself twice. The answer is cube. A cube number is the result when a number has been multiplied by itself twice. For example, 8 is a cube number because it's 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 multiplied by itself twice. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening.